I wanted to show you a quick Stamping 101 tutorial using the homemade stamp, which is one of the new single stamps in the Stampin' Up! Catalog that came out in July of 2010. And I had to order this because we could get it as a demonstrator pre-order, so obviously I had to have it. But I like baking, but I just don't do all that much of it. And sometimes my baking is good. Sometimes it might be to die for, but not in a good way. So I probably won't use this stamp a whole lot exactly as it's written, but I wanted to use it because what I found was that when I used my new 2 3/8 inch scallop circle punch, I could get a scallop circle, but it's just not all that exciting without any stamping on it. So I wanted to have some stamping image on there, but without the words in the center. So this is what I came up with. I'm going to take my Peach Parfait ink pad, which is one of the new in colors for this year, and I'm going to do a technique called rock and roll. Now with rock and roll, you don't just dab your stamp onto your ink pad and smush it all over. You're going to actually rock and roll the stamp onto your pad. So from above, it looks like this. From the side, it looks like this. Okay, so here goes the actual rock and roll in action. And you can kind of see how that works. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my stamp. And oh yeah, I think you can see this pretty well. You see how I've missed some of the dots over here? They're not inked right at that edge. So I'm going to rock and roll a little bit more and make sure I pick up those dots. And so by rocking and rolling, now I have ink all the way around the edges, but not here in the center. So that when I stamp it on my Peach Parfait cardstock, I have an image that includes the scallop and the dots and a little bit of that ring, but not the words that are pretty specific. So, and if you're a baker, heck, the stamp's awesome. You're going to use it all the time. I can see for Christmas presents too. But big difference between just a plain scallop circle and a scallop circle that has some really cool texture and dimension on it. And to use this, here is one sample project. I used it here on this briefcase board book album, so you could put little pictures in here. But the owl, you can picture him on the flat circle. Not quite as exciting as on the homemade stamped and punched circle. So that gives you one more reason that you need the stamp even if you are not a baker.